Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Bubblegum by Clairo. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more from artists, and visit guitarpowerup.com for tab downloads. Enjoy! So the verse is made for 3 chords. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So like I mentioned, the verse is made for 3 chords, the first of which is a B minor 7 chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string. Next is an E7 chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the B string. Then we're going to go to an A major chord. So you're going to bar the 1st fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th or the 7th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string. And I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. Now the chorus. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So like I mentioned, the chorus is made for 3 chords, the first of which is a B minor 7 chord, which we already learned. Next is a D7 chord. So we're going to just take the E7 chord and move it down 2 frets. Then we're going to go to the A major chord, which we also already learned. And I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Bubblegum. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more from artists, and visit guitarpowerup.com for tab downloads. Thanks.